So going back 10, 20 years, what was the interview process like when you interviewed for your first job?
Yeah. I think at that point, the criteria used to be definitely academic performance. And secondly, how well person would be suited in the organization and in the job. And other thing which I realized, which has remained more or less constant, and this is again, I would like to give a message to the parents as well as the children. I have always been selected because I had a niche which differentiated me from others. And that helped me got selected again and again. And as I was earlier saying, I've got like 4 or 5 avatars in last 27 years. So I keep reinventing myself with the new learning, and that has helped me.
Finding your niche and reinventing yourself. Can you talk more about these two areas? Because I think it will help a lot of students if they have some clarity about these two concepts.
Most of the times, most of us do not have clarity what we want to eventually do with our life or our careers. And now I'm a coach. I'm a professional coach now. I work with leaders. I coach them. And being a coach, it's part of my training that a lot of these answers have to come from ourselves. If I'm telling you, I'm guiding you, okay, this path is good, that is from my perspective, not from your perspective. So while you can have a mentor, it's very necessary to have a mentor, a coach, which can share his or her experience, which can help you reflect. The only fulfillment will come when you chart out your own, and there's no shortcut to it. There are some lucky people who are able to do it early in 1 or 2 iterations. But for most of us, it takes some times to realize, okay, this is what I want to do. So that's one part of it. And secondly, if you really want to follow what you want to do, you need a courage. We need a courage. It does not come without courage, because there will be a lot of forces telling you this is not good, that is not conventional, do it in a different way, you'll not be successful. Why don't you try a conventional path? You have to be courageous against all of those voices. They will be from your near and dears also, which are wishing your well-being, but it's from their world perspective. But your world's perspective is different, so you will need courage. Have that courage, and it will come. Yeah.